Welcome to General Knowledge Quiz, Tips and Tricks channel. Let's start with the quiz number 4 that will help you gain knowledge in this lockdown time. Question 1. Which is the most abundant enzyme in the world? And the options are: Option 1, rubisco. Option 2, zymase. Option 3, invertase. Or, Option 4, amylase. And the answer is, rubisco. Question 2. Which organ removes nitrogenous compounds from the blood? Here are your options. 1. Liver. 2. Heart. 3. Kidney. Or, Option 4, lungs. Answer is, Option 3, kidney. Next. Question 3. Who founded Swaraj Party? Below are the options. Option 1, Mahatma Gandhi. Option 2, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Option 3, Moti Lal Nehru. Or, Option 4, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The correct answer is, Option 3, Moti Lal Nehru. Question 4. According to NASA, which star is closest to the Earth after Sun? Here are your options. Option 1, Barnard's star. Option 2, Proxima Centauri. Option 3, Alpha Centauri. Or, Option 4, Sirius. And the answer is, Option 2, Proxima Centauri. Question 5. The frequency of ultrasound wave is generally. Below are the options. Option 1, below 2 kHz. Option 2, above 20,000 kHz. Option 3, below 20 kHz. Or, Option 4, above 20 kHz. The correct answer is, Option 4, above 20 kHz. Next question. Question 6, where is the headquarter of SCRA? And the options are: Option 1, New Delhi. Option 2, Bangalore. Option 3, Mumbai. Or, Option 4, Kolkata. Answer is, Option 3, Mumbai. Next. Question 7, which state in India produces most rice? Option 1, West Bengal. Option 2, Bihar. Option 3, Andhra Pradesh. Or, Option 4, Punjab. The correct answer is, Option 1, West Bengal. Question 8, which is the highest waterfall in India? Below are the options. Option 1, Haganakal, false. Option 2, Jog, false. Option 3, Pandavkata, false. Or, option 4, Thalayar, false. And the answer is, option 2, Jog, false. Question 9, in what year was the first PC virus developed? Option 1, 1981. Option 2, 1990. Option 3, 1987. Or, option 4, 1986. Answer is, year 1986. Question 10, who invented coffee? Here are your options. Option 1, Ethiopia. Option 2, India. Option 3, Japan. Or, option 4, Turkey. The correct answer is, option 1, Ethiopia. Question 11, how many times has Viswanathan Anand won World Chess Championship? And the options are: option 1, 3 times. Option 2, 4 times. Option 3, 5 times. Or, option 4, 7 times. Answer is, option 3, 5 times. Next question. Question 12, which color of star is hottest? Is it 1, red, 2, blue, 3, yellow, or, option 4, white? The correct answer is, option 2, blue. Question 13, Pokemon was created in which country? Here are the options. Option 1, China. Option 2, India. Option 3, Japan. Or, option 4, Korea. And the answer is, option 3, Japan. If you are a fan of Pokemon, please comment below. Question 14, in which country was the Battle of Hastings fought? Option 1, France. Option 2, Russia. Option 3, Austria. Or, option 4, England. Answer is, option 4, England. Next question. Question 15, what causes emotions? The options are: option 1, brain. Option 2, heart. Option 3, eyes. Or, option 4, stomach. The correct answer is option 1, brain. Question 16, who introduced Java? Here are your options. Is it option 1, IBM? Option 2, Sun Microsystem? Option 3, Zepter? Or, option 4, Microsoft? Answer is, option 2, Sun Microsystem. Next. Question 17, what is the leading energy source in the United States? Below are the options. Option 1, oil. Option 2, coal. Option 3, natural gas. Or, option 4, solar energy. The correct answer is, option 1, oil. Question 18, when was the first harpsichord built? Below are the options. Option 1, in the 15th century. Option 2, in the 16th century. Option 3, in the 17th century. Or, option 4, in the 18th century. And the answer is, option 2, in the 16th century. Next question. Question 19, how many gold medal did USA win in 2016 Olympics? Here are your options. Option 1, 52 gold medals. Option 2, 46 gold medals. Option 3, 47 gold medals. Or, option 4, 68 gold medals. Answer is, option 2, 46 gold medals. Question 20, who has the highest number of cup wins in World Cup football? Below are the options. Option 1, Brazil. Option 2, Italy. Option 3, France. Or, option 4, Germany. The correct answer is, option 1, Brazil.
Thanks for watching our channel. We will bring more educational videos soon, so please subscribe to our channel for notifications and share with your family and friends.